Okay, I already fixed this once. I just filled it with the mud, but that didn't hold. I'm guessing either me or the homeowner made the hole bigger. So here's how to fix it. I use this tape instead of the metal. Okay, mud's mixed up right there. Going to take some of this. We're going to put it over this hole. You want to push it into the hole, fill it a little over, because next you're going to take this tape, cut off a piece, and you're going to see which way it folds. So you want that seam where it folds in going into that side like that. You're just going to put it over, and you squeeze the mud out that way, squeeze it out that way. I have to use 2 hands to hold that still. But it's just like this. Boom. Boom. Then you go ahead and put another coat right on top of it. Now it's dry. You're going to scrape if there's any loose stuff off. We're going to take some more mud. Go. Same thing as last time. Scrape off any loose stuff. And apply another coat. But each time you want to make sure you go around these outside edges a little bit farther. After the 3rd coat, you can go ahead and sand. And then paint.